Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. It's nice and early here in the shop. It's 7:49 in the morning. I'm getting ready to put the engine back together. We're waiting on it to warm up a little bit so we can paint and for the humidity to go down just a smidge. So let me show you what we got here. So this is what where we're at. Big empty engine bay, so on and so forth. Now, this is our new intake manifold. Sounds like something's in my attic, but it might be my cat. I got the new boots for the end of the intake manifold here, because I just don't trust mine. I've wanted to replace them for a long time now, but I keep forgetting them every time I go to J-Bugs. Or not J-Bugs, but Fisher Buggies. But for $13.49, it's a nice peace of mind. And they're black. They'll look good in here. So I'm going to start by mounting the intake manifold on here. Just setting it on here. And then trying to get the boots and the intakes on. And then I'm going to put the mount on for the alternator, and then I'm going to basically do whatever I have to do. I have the back fan shroud loose so I can lift it up and down, so I'm going to go ahead and figure out a way to get the actual alternator into there and mounted, and then we'll start hooking all the other jazz up. But that'll at least get us to that point. So we do have new gaskets. They came with the exhaust when I bought it, so I mean they probably got, I think we're at 11 miles or something, so no miles on them. So the hope here is in the next 2 to 3 hours or sooner to have all of this back together and to have this car running and driving around the neighborhood. And while I'm doing that, Ron, Big Ron, is going to sand this door that he primed last night. And then we're going to prep the garage here, which should take a minute. And then we're going to paint. We're going to put a coat of sealer, white sealer, on all the doors. Okay. And then we're going to do 3 coats of red and red base and 3 coats clear on each door. And then we will wait. Now right now, as you can see, we're at 61% humidity and a temperature of 72 degrees in here. Now, if I open this door, that'll drop dramatically. But the temperature will drop too, and that's where the problem comes in. So, just giving it a little time, warm up outside, and everything kind of level out so we can open the door. But I'd say it's probably 50 outside, and I don't want to work in the cold, so door's staying shut. Anyway, guys, that's what I got for you this morning. That's where we're starting. Any luck, these doors will be painted, and this thing will be running by the end of the day. That would be huge. So if we can get that done, we are really, really cooking with hot grease. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated as we go and see where we get. Thanks for watching, guys. Getting there?
Getting there.
For those of you wondering, this is that driver or passenger side front door that had the issue. That's why it got primed and whatnot, and the others didn't. So more to come. So I am installing the new intake manifold, and it's as terrible as you would expect it to be. So yeah, I got this side in over here. I got it to where I can push it down, but there's going to be some finagling here to get this to fit perfect. But like anything, you know, aftermarket parts are what they are. You can see where I'm off here, so I can get it down there though. It's just, yeah, no. So once I get this intake on, we should be flying. So hang in there, guys. I'm gonna try. Alright, we are prepping, getting everything set up. We got the garage cleaned out. This is what it looks like when we pull everything out of the garage. It looks a lot better. So Ron's gonna put a coat of sealer on this here probably next 30 minutes, and then we're gonna go from there. So he's doing that. I'm working on this guy. So right now, new intake manifold is in. One intake is on with the new boots. These are the EMPI boots, they fit good. I'm getting ready to put this intake on. And when I say intake, I mean that guy. And go from there. I got the fuel line hooked back up here. This one's ready for the carb. You know, really it's just a matter now of tightening everything down. I've got this on, really good, the alternator stand. I don't want to put the alternator in just yet. I want to get the other end tank on, and then I'm going to do the alternator, and then the carburetor and distributor and all of that, and just kind of, so we're actually not that far away. So bear with us, we'll be back. Just wanted to show you where we were, guys.
shop.